Hey guys, I'm Adam from Alpine Electronics, and today we're here at Phatt Audio Concepts to present the first Alpine F #1 status system in Australia.
To say it's an honour and a privilege to be able to sell the Alpine F #1 status equipment is just beyond words, and to sell it to Bruce as well. So a bit of history that I used to work with Bruce when the first system came out, and I'd purchased this back then for myself, and I intend on getting my own system. But Bruce is the lucky gentleman that has the very first system here in Australia, and our job is to hand that over to Bruce, and then we're going to show you a step-by-step on how the installation goes, when Alpine comes to sign off the installation when it's finished, and a demo of the vehicle when it's all done. So really looking forward to this build, Bruce. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the equipment, because it is seriously the pinnacle of high-end car audio. Like, it is the best of the best, and really looking forward to this one, mate. So thank you very, very much, and I hope you enjoy it.